Hello guys, welcome to this video. So this is going to be a brief comparison of Lua and Python. To do the simple hello world, you just need to do that. So it's really the same thing because it's really interchangeable. So yeah, we can move on to data types. Python, you could do x is equal to that, then to that, which would be an integer. And if you want to take it a step further, you can also do int, string, because Python is a real language. That's float, guys. Then string, but not string for some reason. Then you can run that. You get 10 pi Python. See, full circle. Then for Lua, you do that. Should I keep on copying the wrong thing, or just not copying it at all? Then you get copilot. Shut. I never asked for you to be. I was about to say okay. So conditional statements for Python, you could do that like x is equal to 10. Then if it's less than 5, print x is greater than 5, which is kind of similar if you stretch it. Remove this part, but it was just better in this scenario for obvious reason. Does the same thing. It's more readable. Trust. Then for loops, Python, this is proving that Python is never a real language. Just look at it. It's too easy to do that. You know, you just have to have like some struggle when doing this part. Like they just made it too easy. Got some struggle. It's not real programming language because of that. Okay, so now for functions, you could do that to do add. And for Lua, you could do function add aby. Sure, why not? Then print. I forgot to make that one. So then you get 3. Then for Python, you get 8 because different values. Okay, now we're moving on to tables and stuff like that. So to make a table in Lua, you need to do person is equal to this. So name is equal to John Doe. Why not? John Doe. What a fire name, guys. So now for Python, you can use a dictionary. Well, I'm not the best with because you just know. So yeah, John Doe, thank you. What are you doing? What are you doing? Just look at this real quick. Just look at this. Look at what Copilot did. It's supposed to be a professional, but we'll just look. Oh, it thought it was smart there, didn't it? Well, it isn't. Person not named, person not named. Oh, it doesn't want. Oh yeah, I forgot. Python wants to be different. What do you mean? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I'm sorry, guys. I'm flaming Python for no reason. Shameless slander. What do you mean? Oh shoot. Yeah, I'm a menace. Okay, so fun fact. Lua has dictionaries for some reason. Well, not for some reason. It's great. So we could do dict. It's equal to that. Then we could have keys. So key 1 is equal to 12. Then we could do that. Like Copilot cook. I say cook. Copilot apparently never wants to cook on the So we could do 4 I pairs, I think. Dict, but I'm pretty sure this only for like tables. Print value. Yeah, we got this. We got this. Could do dict. Then we use the key system. So it actually has good syntax highline, but kind of always has. It looks just like that. You get 1, 2, 3. And for key 2, you get that. Isn't that beautiful? Then for object-oriented programming, I kind of hate Python for this. So we could do person, and that is equal to. Bro, stop trying to snitch on me, bro. We all know else is just ChatGPT in disguise. Like, even Copilot knows it. Then person name. Then for this, that, then P. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Alice, 30. God, 25. Let's watch it be 30. Never mind. Then we can just do print. Isn't that beautiful? Do you see how much more work Copilot does on Lua? Just look at it. It doesn't even want to work. Okay, now if we do speed test, we can see if we do Lua, it's 2 milliseconds. But then if we do Python, it's 12 milliseconds. So yeah, that's a good example of how. Oh shoot! Hold. Wait a minute. Yo, so Lua had a disadvantage, but still faster. So that just shows like Python is good for learning, like flexible. Lua, it's just like fast. Like if you need something fast, you know what to do.